everyone! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing the amazing tips and trick of CapCut. So let's go! Open the CapCut and select the video. I select this video. Let's start editing. You can split your video by clicking on Edit. You can also remove splitted clip. Now I am adding some animation. In CapCut there was amazing animations that make your video more interesting and more catchy. I select the zoom and set the duration time on the video. Add an others animation in second part. The combo animation is very interesting. I like its 3D effect. You can remove background from your pictures and videos. In my video, I don't want to remove background, so I undo this effect. You can crop video in CapCut. Then, I used filters. The filters are really good. The mask effect is very interesting. Then we use stabilize effect that crop your video according music. Then I can add opacity on video. The voice effect is also so interesting. They have different voices: horror, funny, and many others. You can copy the clip. First, split the video, then click on Copy. Then, I use reverse effect on video. I like this effect. Now reverse is done. The last option is freeze. Select the clip and click on freeze option. I used freeze option in different clips. Now I want to add some music, so I go to the audio and select the sound. There are a lot of soundtracks. You can select music according your video. You can add text on video. Text have different style, effects and animation. There are many options in bubbles and animations. You can select your desired option. You can use different text templates, like trending, title, time, subtitles, and many more. You can also use stickers on video. By using overlay, you can add video and pictures on background. There are a lot of effects in CapCut. I use Shockwave. Oh wow, it's wonderful. These effects make my video so amazing. By adding format, you can resize your video. I can resize my video with my fingers. You can change the background of videos and pictures. Blur option can make video attractive. You can apply colors in background. Then I click on Adjust and apply brightness and contrast on video. If you want to remove sound from video, just mute it and add your desired sound. Now my video is completed, and export to the gallery. You can share your video directly from these platforms. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.